Nima mo akwaba ediba to my GHS so na ebisa for sabre and some who do a trendy ewo omayimu and a mede eba besomu na ye ko ensemno emuno efi na wo che etwembesi na wo che weimu na abayo formally no na oye edwuma Emma Media General TV3 to be precise and ebie wonso no was a graduate of UCC Abena Korkor what they and some who do be babonte efa emema who draw no more edi eshia when abrabum after okoye interview our delay show so nebusia for emrante na obo mu di no dodo na public figures celebrities ebi our media fraternity no emunene say akoye something that shook among for the raw social media because na go bi wa mu di ewo mu a na ye expecting po say wo mu ye go for sa na nsem po no wo betimi take advantage of abayo and sense wo bi enim say abayo Abena Korkor no was so far adwumu ya rebi e bipolar disorder na enu echi no wo boy din wie no ko bo blogger ni din Eugene Nkansah do na ni nas Nkansah blogger no obo ni din so ono de wan hye na ni nhia ewo empemu nanso eba no na ya seta frimu de ajai wotumi ta frimu you was for o kan pa na mitimi enkyerem mu me de video ni be kyerem ma mo agasa mo hwebi na ni niam no enu echi na abayo no esene apology de Emma Eugene ese one of those episodes and I relapse we na won yare no when na am so man be bodi wanti enugwa se bi odi ama ni bia no wonya kudro no nyina no na won konkan na ne yare na ene de koba ni sa oh, net is about let me apologize say to Eugene. Eugene the we no note now send man no message no tested man no timi at their call radio station at their command the colleague radio presenter so one thing kind on a live show. I'm at say who video cry up to the form and we china that abala no di ebufuo se abrante na ati so beku ni maso de no so di kan a kire mu pa man nsem no already we di we gu ni maso kakra na anko ye wan fa prove kan na so obeto so egu ni maso de no so ebe miem e ma na mu ase ai kese enu nti abaywa Abena Korkor screenshots of messages there's na koso ono ene Eugene Nkansah be ni maso konkonsa wo mo entem e fa leke ntem nsem no no wo de ho screenshots abeto aponte video akasa e dia phone na ansana no yenkofia Abena Korkor ni screenshots o de abeto eja ene ho video aye no ne ba yakotie de Eugene so video e wo ho no ye de eno so ade atwemo ni common de bebre wo ye bedi wo echire ye komna sesia.
Hello, so in my first video, like the one I was having a relapse, I was like, my throat chakra like was open, and it's like there are things that I really want to tell people, but it's like I never have the courage to tell them. So this could have been done one-on-one. Maybe I should have done a one-on-one conversation with KOD. I should have done a one-on-one conversation with Samuel Ku. I should have done a one-on-one conversation with Nkansah. I should have done a one-on-one conversation with Kojo. And unfortunately, or fortunately, you know, it just came out like that. Because, you know, low inhibitions or whatever. And I do this and I feel bad for it. And I send a message to sort of apologize to Nkansah, which he doesn't deserve an apology. Like, you really don't deserve an apology. Because there was a point in my life that I was weak. There was a point in time of my life that I was not confident enough. You always come to me like you were a friend. You always come to me like, no matter what happens, I'm going to be there for you. You even went as far to tell me that, oh, you're in a crown panel. Whether they are lies or truth, I don't care, because it's like, I've never really wanted to be your wife. It's like, you know, whatever KOD said, psyched me up, and you're not even my kind of guy. But I saw you as a friend. I saw you as a friend. How naive of me. And I felt like, okay, whatever I said about you, like, I really shouldn't have said it that way. But I've really seen who you are. Like, you're a big, bald snake. Because I sent the message to you to sort of apologize, which again, you don't fucking deserve. You take it to your whole radio station, Peace FM, entertainment review show, to go and show it to them, to make the world think that, okay, whatever I said was a lie. Forgetting that you don't chat with me on Snapchat. No, you chat with me on WhatsApp. You be like, every time you are at work, your office is at Achimota. I live almost at Shaliboche. You are almost literally begging me every day to come and eat my pussy up. I don't know if your malam has told you that if you eat my pussy up, you're gonna be well, you're gonna buy a Range Rover or something. I don't know. But you're literally always begging me, and you've forgotten that I have proof of WhatsApp messages. I have proof of WhatsApp messages, like that sometimes B and I can track people's messages. It's not like I have saved anybody's name and I've put Eugene there. No, it's from you to me. Like, I'm not a petty bitch, but today I'm gonna be petty, like very petty. Like, today I'm going to be very, very petty. I thought you're my friend. No, you're not my friend. You always see that whatever happens, you're going to be there for me. Shit happen. Where are you? Like, you haven't even checked up on me. I understand, like, I caused trouble in your home or wherever it is.
Any asem no. Asem aba. Asem si criminal. Abrantie Eugene Nkansah. Ayenim na asem concern. Obema warefo. Aso wone ne yire Victoria Lebene a ono TV presenter ne bi sofai actress na ete. Na the same way you kunu pa on that them so they amusa wo ba. Na in same way go viral about him. How do you feel? You go to Eugene ono so kwan so a wode message abna kokko send man Nkansah go dey apologize or dey ko kire ne co-presenter ono so kinkan wo live program say eno na ma abna kokko dey before the video dey kan ko share no e ba you go to Eugene dey no
be Besa Simons of Eugene but you ra Besa Simons me kan dey Eugene phone so pa your man friend. My relapse caused whatever I said, even if I had something against you. This is not the way to go about. Don't let what people are saying get to you. You know yourself above everything else. Be strong. Be fearless. When you own your misfortune, no one can rub it in your face. Hey, enti where am I kind of if you want to Abena Korkor. Hey, Abena Korkor. Enti Abena Korkor no send you UG message. I was sending you message. Oh, okay. Don't be my mic no too man. Oh, Besa Simons mpacho me see me. Besa Simons be adru no yes ran pa. Don't UG say there, what's it there? In the season of bipolar. Today, and I'm not sending message. Bipolarity. And I see. Okay, munyabute. Take this opportunity to educate people on mental health issues. Be a unique blogger. The word is bipolar disorder. Enti Abena Korkor no send you UG message. Okay. Let me read it again, Pacho munyabute. Yati. Etie for mami kan biom na Kofi Asamoah ono enkomo na end so etie for muntie brofo na Abena Korkor or they send UG no. My relapse caused whatever I said. Even if I had something against you, this is not the way to go about. Don't let what people are saying get to you. You know yourself above everything else. Be strong. Be fearless. When you own your misfortune, no one can rub it in your face. Take this opportunity to educate people on mental health issues. Eugene, so from now, say every week, ya trasia.
Every year for se wonim say obi ewo mreyo ebi ewo no ho a eya enheda ensone enhwe ewo ne mreyo wan hwa na wonim say agro na so na tese wa fail wonim say wa gaza mufu tosin na wo de obi mreyo ebedi agro a ono ne mreyo no betimi dia say wo krapo dia ma tese wan hwe krapo enu ewie chi no Nyama obehwere o wababo me bedo so kra say de wode ye no do no mu kra bo ehwere me ka in connection with the actors to say because Eugene ko betimi ability say Abena Korkor oyare enti bipolar relapse ni bi ne man be kan that same do na no come one say but who react here enti ono no reaction o ye no na kofa counter reaction we about say any more proof the ink aka ensem already na train and nam some ankofo stress na twetwe no ewo ne blogging platform no so ate say wasakọ bie ekro nu ama ate say nsem awodo so abisa be pie wo mu na so asel ni nsem mo ekra wo so wo hwe video ya de twebe na owo de alpha nsem no ewo de obese won ke bia bomade a ne fafa your comment section no ne fa so me na bi no share video we on all the social media platforms follow Too Much GH or Instagram, Twitter so at Too Much GH _ Facebook so Too Much GH. Na namo busua enemy na main so na mtitwede besomo. Na me ya duma e besan e share bim. Makramu ni bye bye.